Still paying high prices for web hosting? You might be wasting money. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off. And if you click the special link in the description, you'll also get an extra 20% discount automatically. No coupon code typing, no extra steps. Everything is applied instantly. And that's not all. You also get free extra months added to your hosting plan, free SSL to secure your website, a free domain on selected plans, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it with zero risk. If you want to start a blog, create a business website, launch an online store, or build a personal brand, this is one of the cheapest ways to get premium hosting. Hostinger is trusted by millions because it's beginner-friendly, fast, and easy to manage, even if this is your first website. But don't wait too long because discounts like this can change anytime. Click the first link in the description now to activate your automatic coupon code. Claim up to 85% off, plus the extra 20% discount. Enjoy the free extra months and launch your website today.